Good morning, everyone. My name is Sandeep, and today I will be giving a demo on Agile and Scrum, which are the most widely used software development approaches in IT companies today. And my demo is on Agile and Scrum concepts. By the end of the session, we will going to understand what is Agile, why companies follow Agile instead of traditional waterfall, and Agile principles, Scrum framework in detail, Scrum roles, events and artifacts, a real-time example of how a project runs in Agile. Now we will see what is the need for Agile. What is the need for Agile? Before we understand what is Agile, we must know why Agile came. Earlier, companies used the waterfall model. Before Agile, before Agile, companies uses waterfall model for software development. For software development. Earlier, company used the waterfall model, and waterfall model works as below. First, it gets the requirements. Then, after design, and then after development, then after testing, and last deployment. But there are problems with waterfall model. We will go through what are the problems occurs when we develop software using waterfall model. Problems with waterfall model. Requirements can't change. We can't change requirements. And the second problem is delivery takes months or years. Delivery takes months or years. Customer sees the final product at the end. Customers. And third problem is customer sees the final product at the end. If something goes wrong, rework is huge. If something goes wrong, rework is huge. And the last problem is no regular feedback. No feedback. Today, world changes very fast. Companies need faster release, quick response to customer needs, ability to change requirements anytime. So this is why Agile was introduced. Agile is fast. It is fast and flexible and customer focused development. Now, so benefits of using this is the benefits of using Agile software development lifecycle. It is fast, it is flexible, and customer focused development. Now we will see Agile basics and principles. Agile is not a tool or software. Agile is a mindset, a way of working. The Agile manifesto has four values: individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documents. It has four values. It has four values. One is individual and interaction, working software. Second one is working software. And third value is customer collaboration. Customer collaboration. And the fourth value is responding to change. Responding to change. Agile has 12 principles, but I will explain most of the important one of 12 principles. Important principles of Agile. First main principle is deliver working software frequently. Deliver working software frequently. Second one is welcome changing requirements. Third one is business and developers must work together. Business and developers must work together. Build projects around motivated individuals. Build projects around motivated individuals. And fifth one is communication must be face to face and quick. Communication must be face to face and quick. Sprint reviews for continuous feedback. Reviews for continuous feedback. Simplicity is essential. Next one is simplicity is essential. And the final one is teams regularly reflect and improve. Teams regularly reflect and improve. Now we will see benefits of Agile. These are the eight main important principles of Agile. Now we will go through the what are the benefits of using Agile. Benefits of Agile. First benefit is it's a faster delivery. Faster delivery. Second one, higher customer satisfaction. Third one is better team communication. Fourth one is risk reduction. Fourth one is risk reduction. Fifth one is much more transparent. Sixth one is continuous improvement. So these are the benefits of six benefits of using Agile software development methodology. Now we will see Scrum framework. This is the art of the Agile. Now we will see Scrum framework. Scrum framework. Art of the Agile. Scrum is the most widely used Agile framework. Most software companies, Google, Microsoft, Amazon use Scrum. Scrum operates in iterations called sprints, usually 2 weeks. Every sprint has duration 2 weeks. Each sprint delivers a working product. Scrum is a agile framework. Companies like Google, Amazon uses uses Scrum for their software development. And Scrum operates in iterations called sprints. Every sprint every sprint has 2 weeks duration. Now we will see the Scrum roles. What are the Scrum roles? There are three Scrum roles. They are product owner, Scrum master, and development team. We will see one by one each in detail. Scrum roles. There are three there are three Scrum roles. They are as follows. One is product owner, also called PO in short. Second one is Scrum Master, and the third one is development team. Now we will see one by one in detail. First one is product owner. Represents customer businesses, defines and prioritize requirements based on the client requirement, manages project backlog, what are the things we need to do in the further sprints, and also ensures maximum value is delivered. He is the responsible to get the required output from the development team and should match the client's requirement. And also product owner decides what should be built next, like one of the other sprints. And our next role is Scrum Master. Scrum Master ensures Scrum process runs smoothly and removes backlog blockers and also catches the team on Agile, protects team from external interruptions, facilitates Scrum events. So these are the responsibilities of Scrum Master. And the final role is development team. In development team, developers, testers, designers are present and cross-functional like all skills required to deliver product. And also self-organizing, no boss telling what to do. We need to organize, self-organize in the Jira platform where product owner gives the backlogs to complete in further sprints. Deliver the actual work in sprints. So these are the all three roles work together to deliver the value or to deliver the project based on the client requirement. Now we will see what are the Scrum events. What are Scrum events? There are five main events in Scrum. Five main events in Scrum. One is sprint, the main cycle. Usually it has 2 weeks duration. Work is planned and completed inside the sprint. Usually 2 weeks. Work is planned and completed inside the sprint. Delivers a working product increment. Delivers a working product increment. Sprint planning. And the second event is sprint planning. Our second event is sprint planning happens at the beginning of the each sprint. This planning is happens beginning of the each sprint. Team selects stories from product backlog. Team select stories from product backlog. Define sprint global. Define sprint goal. Sprint not global. Sprint goal. Third one is third one is daily scrum. It is a daily stand up. Daily stand up. It it stand up contains a 15 minutes meeting. Each team member answers what did I do yesterday, what will I do today, any blockers. This helps track progress daily. And the fourth one is sprint review. Happens at the end of the sprint, like after completion of 2 weeks development. A team demo that completed features and product owner gives feedback. Stakeholders may suggest changes and purpose is show what's done and collects feedback. And the final one is sprint retrospective. Final meeting of the sprint. Team discusses what went well, what didn't go well, what can be improved. Purpose improve the next sprint. Now we will see the Scrum artifacts. Scrum artifacts. In Scrum artifacts, there are three artifacts in Scrum. There are three artifacts in Scrum. One is product backlog. So master list of all features, bugs and improvements owned by the product owner, continuously updated and prioritized. Example items user registration, login system, add to cart, payment integration. Second one is sprint backlog. Subset of product backlog. Team selects items to complete in the sprint. Content tasks required to finish stories. Third one increment. The final working product delivered at end of the sprint must be in done state, should be usable and potentially shippable. So these are the three Scrum artifacts. Now we will summarize our demo. Agile is a software development methodology It is a mindset and approach to develop a software products and welcome change, customer focused and fast and iterative. Whereas Scrum is a framework under Agile, it has three roles: project owner, Scrum master, and development team. It has five events: planning, daily, review, retro sprint, and also three artifacts: product backlog, sprint backlog, and increment. Agile and Scrum help team deliver faster, communicate better, and adapt quickly to change. Thank you for listening.